Life is short, yet we often live as if we have infinite time. Here's an uncomfortable truth. The average lifespan of a person is only about 27,000 days. Think about it. If you're 33 years old, you've already used up more than 12,000 of those days that are gone and will never come back. Someday is a dangerous idea. It deceives us into believing we have all the time in the world. But the reality is that life doesn't wait. To transform your journey, you need to learn to make your time matter, not just manage it, but truly live it. Have you noticed how the years seem to fly by faster as you get older? When you were a child, summers felt endless. Now months vanish in the blink of an eye. This happens because our brains measure time by recording new experiences. When everything is new, days feel longer. But in the routine of adulthood, with the same breakfast, same commute, and same TV shows, our brains stop paying attention and the days blur together. Want to expand your sense of time? Try something new. Take a different route to work, learn a new skill, or strike up a conversation with someone you've never met. Each new experience forces your brain to pay attention and makes time feel more meaningful. Another big mistake we make is underestimating what we can achieve in a year and overestimating what we can do in a day. How many times have you given up on a goal because you didn't see immediate progress? Success is about consistency. Small daily steps lead to incredible results. We often confuse being busy with being productive. We fill our days with tasks that seem important but really aren't. Ask yourself, at the end of my life, will this matter? Chances are, you'll value time with loved ones more than overtime at the office. Knowing what not to do can be more valuable than knowing what to do. Set your priorities and eliminate what doesn't align with them. Think of it as compound interest for life choices. Small, consistent decisions lead to big results. Your relationships are like bank accounts. Every interaction is a deposit or a withdrawal. Grand gestures may impress, but it's the small daily actions that strengthen bonds. An unexpected text, a sincere compliment, or being there during tough times makes all the difference. And don't forget about weak ties, those casual acquaintances or distant friends. They can be bridges to new ideas and opportunities. When it comes to your career, remember, real opportunities lie just outside your comfort zone. The most common mistake is optimizing for money too early. In your 20s and 30s, prioritize learning. Every skill you gain is like a lottery ticket for future opportunities. Modern careers aren't linear. They're more like jungles, where lateral or diagonal moves build unique skill combinations that make you indispensable. Health isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Energy levels matter more than the amount of time you have. Sleep is essential. Without it, your decision-making is as impaired as being drunk. Small daily movements like a walk or stretching boost mental clarity. When you're stuck on a problem, move your body. The solution will come. To learn something faster, teach it. This forces your brain to understand it on a deeper level. And read biographies. Each one offers a lifetime of experiences in just a few hours. Don't try to be good at everything. Be strategically bad at some things to keep your brain flexible and focused on what truly matters. As for money, it's a means, not an end. True wealth is the freedom of time. Avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation, where higher earnings lead to higher spending. Instead, live below your means and invest in experiences that enrich your life. Creativity doesn't wait for inspiration. It comes from action. Your first ideas may be bad, but they're necessary to clear the way for the good ones. Work within constraints. They force your mind to be more creative. Finally, your energy is your most valuable resource. Conserve it by simplifying daily decisions and saying no to tasks that drain your vitality. Recovery isn't a waste of time. It's how you multiply your impact. Remember, time will pass anyway. Use it wisely. Small changes can lead to big transformations. Choose something that resonated with you and start today. Life is short, and every day that passes is a day you can't get back. So take charge of your time, focus on what truly matters, and live intentionally. The journey isn't about perfection. It's about making each day count in ways that are meaningful to you. Start today, because the best time to begin living fully is now. If this inspired you, make sure to subscribe for more content like this and share it with someone who needs to hear this message.